Bitcoin is about to create a massive breakout and it has to choose a direction within the coming next 2 days. So a big move is definitely imminent, and in my opinion this breakout will all be dependent on the news that we will be getting this week. As you guys may already know, we are going to be expecting a Grayscale spot Bitcoin ETF announcement going to be being made today or this Friday. So this will probably cause a lot of volatility into its market, and as well we are also going to be expecting the first decision of this spot Bitcoin ETFs going to be made. So definitely in my opinion this whole breakout pattern will be pretty news dependent, and if we are going to be getting some good news getting released from our Bitcoin spot ETFs, well, probably we are going to be very quickly breaking this one pattern towards the upside. But if this news will turn out to be pretty bearish, well, then of course we are going to be breaking this one towards the downside. And another very important thing to keep in mind is that probably I do expect we are going to be keep on trading inside of this symmetrical triangle until actually this news will be getting released. Okay, I do not think we will be seeing a significant breakout or a valid real breakout until we are actually going to be seeing our news getting released. So yeah, for that, make sure to be following me on Twitter, because probably I will be one of the first guys to share this news on Twitter. Also, another very important thing is that yesterday we were looking to be breaking some kind of a trend line towards the downside. And of course, this turned out to have a pretty negative effect on the market already. But right after that, after the breakdown, well, we actually saw quite some bullish news getting released inside of the market, where eventually still we got our break back towards the upside. A lot of people were flipping bullish right again, but right after that, well, we have been forming this resistance level. And other than that, well, the plan for me still remains the same. I'm still going to be waiting until this trade will be getting filled. I'm still going to be waiting until we will be forming this daily bullish divergence. Now, we are forming some kind of a hidden bullish divergence right here, as well as the funding rates are looking still very good in my opinion. Just like whenever we are going to be losing this support level, well, that is going to be the moment where we are going to be seeing more downside being created, and probably we are going to be seeing our trade getting filled and this bullish divergence being formed. Now, on the higher time frames, in my opinion, we are still looking very good. We are getting this 200 weekly moving average support at the moment, and definitely this is a very strong support level. Definitely do not ignore this level. In my opinion, the longer term is still looking very good, and there is no reason to panic. We are also seeing a lot of Bitcoin outflow, which generally speaking, whenever you can be seeing a spike in Bitcoin outflow, well, that is going to be resulting a close to a bottom stage right here. So yeah, the longer term is still looking pretty good in my opinion, and I do definitely still think we can be moving up towards the upside even more. So the long term is looking good, but in the short term, we can be seeing some more downside being created. And in my opinion, it will all just be news dependent. What news are we going to be getting? Well, that will be deciding our Bitcoin price action right here. Now, technically speaking, yes, indeed, our symmetrical triangle breakout will be more likely to actually break towards the downside, because we are leading in towards this symmetrical triangle with bearish momentum, and the trend is more likely to continue than not. So can we once again try and smash up the likes to 100 likes on Twitter and 20 likes on YouTube? And make sure to be updated about every single market development on my Twitter page. And with that being said, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.